Ever felt like your crypto assets are scattered across different blockchains, making it a headache to manage and trade them all? Imagine wanting to swap your Bitcoin for a token on a completely different network, but the process feels like navigating a maze. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a platform that aims to solve this very problem, Bifrost. You might have heard the name floating around in the DeFi space, and a common question pops up: is Bifrost an exchange? To answer that accurately, we need to understand what Bifrost actually is. At its core, Bifrost is a multi-chain middleware platform. Think of it as a bridge, not just connecting blockchains in a technical sense, but also in terms of asset usability. It's built on the Substrate framework, the same technology that powers Polkadot, giving it inherent interoperability capabilities. Bifrost's primary focus isn't traditional order book trading like you'd find on centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Instead, it positions itself as a liquidity provider for staked assets across various blockchains. This is where its key innovation, vTokens, comes into play. Let's break that down. When you stake your assets on a proof-of-stake blockchain, they become locked up, earning you rewards but also becoming illiquid. Bifrost allows you to stake your assets, think ETH, DOT, SOL, and many others, through their platform and receive a vToken in return. This vToken is a liquid representation of your staked asset. For example, if you stake ETH, you'll receive VETH. Now, here's where things get interesting. These vTokens are not just receipts, they are fully fungible and transferable assets themselves. This means you can use your VETH, VDOT, or other vTokens in various DeFi applications across different blockchains. You could potentially use your VETH as collateral for a loan, provide liquidity to a decentralized exchange, DEX, or even participate in yield farming opportunities, all while your underlying ETH continues to earn staking rewards. So, circling back to our initial question, is Bifrost an exchange? The answer is nuanced. Bifrost itself doesn't operate as a traditional centralized or decentralized exchange with order books matching buyers and sellers directly for base assets. However, it does facilitate swaps and trading of its vTokens. Through its built-in decentralized exchange functionality, users can swap between different vTokens, like VETH for VDOT, or even swap vTokens for the underlying native assets, like VETH back to ETH, although this often involves an unstaking period on the original chain. This internal DEX utilizes an automated market maker, AMM, model, similar to platforms like Uniswap or SushiSwap, where liquidity pools enable the trading of these assets. Therefore, while Bifrost isn't solely an exchange in the conventional sense, it incorporates exchange functionalities specifically for its vTokens and the underlying staked assets they represent. Its primary value proposition lies in unlocking the liquidity of staked assets and enabling their seamless utilization across the multi-chain ecosystem. It's more accurate to describe Bifrost as a multi-chain liquidity protocol with integrated swapping capabilities for staked derivatives. Think of it this way: a traditional exchange is like a marketplace for various goods. Bifrost, on the other hand, is like a service that takes your locked-up valuable items, staked assets, gives you liquid, tradable receipts for them, vTokens, and even provides a place where you can exchange these receipts for other receipts or even back for the original items, its built-in DEX. Ultimately, Bifrost plays a crucial role in the evolving DeFi landscape by bridging the gap between staking and liquidity, fostering greater capital efficiency across multiple blockchains. Understanding its core function as a multi-chain middleware and liquidity provider, rather than just a standard exchange, is key to appreciating its unique value proposition. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.